This time, lightning strikes twice and leaves a supercharged survivor.
This guy gets hit twice. He's not even dead.
A 1 in a million event.
This finger of God comes down from the sky, zaps him, and he's down.
The camera goes on to record something astonishing.
A lightning bolt could kill an elephant, and here's this guy getting back up after about 5 seconds.
Seemingly unscathed, he staggers off.
A few seconds later, boom, he's hit again. Been hit by lightning twice.
This guy gets hit twice. And he's not even dead. What happens when a lightning bolt goes to the body? It completely electrifies the organs, essentially fries them. And what it does is it causes blood clotting and leads to either impairment or immediate death.
Oh, my head.
Ha! You missed me.
How about no?